Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I hope you can hear me clearly, guys. Okay, so for today, I'm going to show you how you can apply sa HelloRache. First, you can just type HelloRache sa inyong laptop. Okay, and the first one that will pop up, the first one is this one. We're going to click that. Here we are. So as we can see, okay, um, here makikita natin leading healthcare virtual assistant and solutions for medical, dental, and veterinary professionals. So if you are medical related, kahit kaka-graduate nyo lang, pwede kayo dito, guys. Dental, veterinary professionals. Okay, so you can read all of this, but for now, we are going to apply as a healthcare virtual assistant. Okay. So healthcare related courses, medical courses, if you're a nurse na ayaw nyo na mag-nurse, sa bahay na lang tayo, or any medical related, graduate kayo, psychology, ano pa ba, RT, anything, guys, pharmacist. So, ayan. So, just, okay. So, as you can see here, you can read all of this, guys. Ability to work from home, long-term and steady working relationship, competitive pay rates. Okay, here we will click this. Apply now. Okay, so you can read all of this, of course. That's for your own um understanding kung ano ba talaga itong medical or healthcare virtual assistant. Okay, so is what else? Let's move on to the application now. So, import resume. Kung may resume na po kayo, you can just click here and you can import it. So, you can fill out this first name, of course, your last name, and your email address. Okay? So, make sure naman yung email address natin is like a professional type of email, right? Okay? So, headline, um, optional lang naman siya. So you can type anything here, or maybe your experience or what are you applying for. So your phone here, your photo, of course, you upload a professional photo, okay? Professional looking photo. If you have na naka-coat kayo or naka-white, ayun. So next one. So here, education, optional. Experience optional. Kasi they are accepting kahit um yung they are accepting kaka-graduate nyo lang, ganun. So summary, you can explain here. Okay? Um, next is resume. Upload a file here. Okay. Just of course naman resume is important, right? Before we apply here, make sure na nakagawa na tayo ng professional type of resume. Okay. So here is a cover letter. Okay, cover letter, guys. There are a lot of ano naman dyan eh. Um, kahit ako naman, really um I'm not really hindi talaga ako magaling gumawa ng cover letters. Pwede naman tayong mag-search, right? Search lang tayo sa Google. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Cover letter for virtual assistant. Ayan. So, may mga examples na dyan. Okay. Kasi kailangan natin to lagay yung cover letter. Next, are you located in the Philippines or you a Filipino citizen only? So, we cannot contact with individuals that have dual citizenship and are non-Filipino citizens. And also, we need to be located in the Philippines. Okay. If you're gonna ask me why, it's because they are helping us Filipinos, medical related workers who are not working. Talaga. Like me, nurse naman ako, but I'm not working anymore because I'm a mother. So this is very convenient for me kasi sa bahay na lang tayo magwo-work. Okay, so yes, we're gonna click yes here. Okay, so next is your complete address. Here's the format though. Okay, next is what is your Skype ID? Skype is important because they might contact you through Skype, email. So these are some of your important things. Okay. So for me, I have Skype on my phone and I have a Skype also sa dito sa laptop. Okay. So please paste your Facebook link. Okay. So just go to your Facebook tapos ayan, ilagay niyo lang yung link niyo dito. So make sure din yung Facebook nyo is andun talaga yung name ninyo or yung surname nyo, yung ganun. Okay, that would be better for them to really search for you. Okay, so here Facebook is an important platform for HelloRache HVA community. Okay, so your Facebook name must include your at least your real last name. So importante 'yon. Um, for example, Luis Paloma ang name mo, pwede naman LA Paloma. Basta importante yung last name. Okay? So, here, yes or no. So, what are your skills? Okay? For example, for me, I work as an ESL tutor. Or what other experiences do you have? What else? You were a medical nurse, yung mga ganun. So, just put your skills there. Next, please state any other foreign language ability. So, syempre, English, 'di ba? Kung marunong kayo mag-Korean, go. So, syempre, English. So, for me, I can speak a little Arabic. So, kasi I work at Saudi dati. So, just a little. Okay, for what reasons have you missed work in a previous job? So, this one, it's personal reason for me. I got married actually. So, hindi na ako nag-pursue as a nurse abroad. So, I just stayed home na lang. Okay. Do you have any existing health condition? So, yes, please explain. Okay. So, do you have any other commitments? I'm not sure if you can put here you're pregnant. Yes, and then I'm pregnant for a few months. Right? It's a health condition, right? So, do you have any other commitments that may affect your ability to attend or training, individual work? Do you have any travel plans? So, of course, we don't have any travel plans, right? So, make sure wala na tayong travel plans this year. Okay. So, after na lang, pag may work na, we can go travels na. So, other commitments, for example, for me, I don't have anything here because wala naman talaga. And I'm ESL tutor and flexible naman yung time. So that was okay. Here, do you have any pending visa application? So, yeah. Actually, for me, my suggestion is you have to make sure na wala na lang talaga kayong travel plans. You can maybe apply after na lang talaga if you have any travel. So after travels, you can apply. Okay, so our trainings are Monday through Friday night shift. Will you be able to attend? Of course, yes. So this is they don't have any morning trainings because they are following the Arizona time. Okay, so the Arizona time is yung 11 p.m. sa atin, 8 a.m. doon. So nag-start yung training from 11 p.m. until I think mga 8 a.m. So that will be 5 p.m. naman doon sa Arizona. Okay, so anyway, please upload a copy of your NBI. So this one pala guys, make sure you also have your NBI clearance. Make sure before you fill out everything here, meron na kayo lahat. May resume na kayo, NBI clearance, and everything. Okay, what is your highest educational attainment? College graduate, dito naman BS Nursing, sa senior high school. So, why are there any college undergraduate? Kasi they are accepting other professions, and they are accepting if you have any background experience to as a healthcare related virtual assistant or call center. For example, you work as um sa insurance before. I think they are accepting they are going to accept those kinds of ano rin, applicants. Okay, so upload your diploma here. Make sure diploma um picture you're already uploaded. Tapos dito TOR, certificate in healthcare medical transcription. Okay, next is upload your ID, driver's license, any ID you have. Okay, so for me, I was I have my PRC ID naman. Oh no, PRC ID is not suggested here. So I think I sent my passport ID here. Okay, so please upload a 1 minute intro video. So make sure meron na kayong 1 minute intro video. Okay, describing yourself to Google Drive. So for this one, if you don't have any idea, there are a lots of videos, intro videos. So on YouTube, you you can try searching for that one. Marami talagang YouTube intro videos. So please run an internet speed. This one, speedtest.net. Just type here speedtest.net. So here, this one by Ukla. So just do this. Okay, go. Tapos there will be results here, and first it will analyze. There will be results here, and then sorry. So yan. So you're just gonna copy. Somewhere meron dito, ika-copy mo lang yun. Okay, and just type it here. Copy paste it here. Okay. So please take time with the Google. So this one, typingcat.com, right? So gagawin din natin to. Typingcat.com. Okay. Actually, guys, my typing speed before was 40. Hindi siya nag-abot ng 50. But for a week or 2 weeks, talagang nag-typing typing lesson ako. Ay, oh my gosh, ang ingay. Nagulat ako. Anyway, so gagawin niyo yun. So, um, at least 90% accuracy. So, my result doon, I think you have to, the result here sa taas, you have to just copy it here. Okay, that's it. So, how did you hear about resume? Sorry, how did you hear about us? Um, she is in HelloRache. Please state complete name only. So, maybe you can help me here, right? You can type my complete name. It's this one, guys. You can just copy it. That's my complete name. So that will be a great thing for me since I'm sharing this with you. Okay, thank you, guys. So again, I hope you can just type my complete name. It's Ilham Al-Hindawi. Okay, thank you. So, for this one naman, I referred my friend naman. So, she was my classmate and siya talaga yung nag-encourage sa akin. Okay, take the free personality test. This one, just go to this personality test, start the clicking, then upload the file. What do you call it? Here. Take the test button, save the results. Kasi mag-i-email yung result eh. Pag-email siya sa inbox and then screenshot mo siya. Then i-upload. So by answering this form and avoiding information, providing information, data signifies that you have expressly consented to the processing, etc. So that's yes. Okay, and then submit application. Okay, so for me, guys, it took time, I think years before ako nag-apply. So I'm telling you, kayang-kaya nyo ang HelloRache. Ako kasi I wasn't confident at first. Tapos, when I saw my classmate, and then she really encouraged me. Okay, but anyway, so I think that's all. If you have any other questions, I think you can just check here. Okay, if you have other questions, the requirements, you're a graduate of any allied health profession, you can speak and write well in English. Okay, internet subscription, health reliable. Okay, so 11 p.m. to 8 a.m., which is the Arizona time. Okay, next is this one. Make sure, guys, that Windows 10 Home Pro 64-bit, tapos CPU Intel Core 1, i3, 6, at least 6 gen and above. Mas maganda kasi pag mas malaki yung ano nyo yung capacity ng yung laptop. Okay? So, recommended 8 gen Core i5. Pero kung meron na kayo nito, go na. At least makakapasok na kayo. But that's the minimum nga. Core i3 at least 6 gen. Okay, kasi guys, i-check kasi nila yan eh. Meron silang IT na mag-check kung pasado kayo sa qualifications. Okay? So, I think that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have a great day.